Okay, we ordered Fluid Master flapper kits. I wanted to get 2, so we had an extra.
Whoa!
Fancy. And
I love their box.
Look at that. You've got this.
Install with confidence.
And they have everything
Oh, they give you a picture.
marked
This
out.
is really
and a nice little
serious.
graphic.
And was this an Amazon thing or a Home
Yes,
Depot?
I did get this from Amazon.
Okay, so anyway, I was kind of just impressed with the whole packaging thing. It's kind of cool. I've shadowed it a little bit, but yeah, it's kind of. Oh yeah, okay.
It's got all the parts.
It's got every part and a spare flapper and the holder and that. Dink-a-dink-a-dink. Oh, you got little hoses. Damn. So it's a double. So it's a double kit, which we wanted to have a backup because we got tied up where one of these wasn't working, and we got one toilet down, and let's see, the shut off didn't shut off. We'll go
so
through
we
that.
ordered
So
shut-offs.
ordered shut offs
And
too.
then extra
And then these
valve seals.
they go bad pretty quick, right?
Yeah.
From the water, we think it's from the water, and that goes in the top. Which we tried that and it didn't work, so we struck out there. But anyway, that's kind of cool. We just want to do a quickie video. So
Yeah, are we gonna do videos of me putting it in?
whoa, I guess we could.
All right, let's do it.
Let's see how much battery power I got for this thing.
Okay, so there's a flap already in there, and it's new, so I'm not gonna replace that.
Yes.
And I'm also not gonna replace this because that's pretty new too.
Yes.
Plus, we had some trouble putting it in.
Yeah, this toilet's a petite, I would guess you'd call it, and we had trouble getting the chain and the rod and everything, and it looks hokey in there, but this is the way it works. Otherwise, it would hang up continuously, and we tore our hair out with that.
Okay.
And then Sharon's gonna go ahead.
Right in there.
Actually, I guess I can provide the light too, can't I? A little bit.
So, okay, this I'm just gonna go right in that hole down there,
Yep.
and then I'm gonna screw it on,
Yep.
and then I'll screw on the water
Yeah.
line.
And we had a big thing with the shut off a couple years ago, and it ended up me tearing half the plumbing out of the house. That's a whole new story, but that shut off's done great. So it's been off for several days, and Sharon's gonna try to squeeze in there, and it's held the water back the whole time because you had a little bucket there. So we ended up stealing the kit out of this to use the toilet upstairs, and took the risk that shut off wouldn't work, but it did. And I actually have extra shut-offs in the basement, so you can individually shut off practically everything. I went a little wacky with that, but it cost me some money in valving. But so you don't have to shut the whole house off to do this. You don't have to you can take a shower and fix this toilet at the same time.
Okay, so making sure everything's pretty tight.
Yeah.
Might have to still tighten it a little more because I don't want to go too far in case there's a problem.
Yeah, and then it's a plastic
All right.
nut. So yep, just kind of use common sense.
And then the tube is going to go on that little
Oh yeah, bowl washer.
thing on the side there.
I guess I call it the bowl washer. I can't
Is that
remember.
what it's called?
I think that's what it's called.
I'm not.
You see it come through the sides of the toilet bowl. Yeah.
Okay.
Great.
And this is going to go in there. I guess I want to make sure that's tight. It's hard to get in. Okay. And then this hooks right onto there.
Down the pipe, right?
Right.
Yeah.
There you go.
Wow. Oh, you might have to shorten your tube. Maybe.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay.
That's the thing. This tank is small.
Yeah.
And everything is not quite.
All right. Let's turn her on.
Yeah. Slow and easy.
Alright.
No, you don't, but I think you got your bowl washer going down the outside of the tube instead of the inside there, text.
Oh, I got it backwards.
Yeah.
Yes, you're right.
Get a shower there.
Turn it off.
Kind of, yeah. Just,
Alright.
well, just put the clip in on the other side. Put it on the other side so the hose will stretch.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. There we go.
Good.
Yeah, it should work. I mean, I've never seen it like that, but it should work, right?
It's a little bit different clip.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, so let's make sure that's
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
let's
afraid
go
the
again.
hose is gonna get into the. What?
Alright, let's.
Ta-da!
There we
Oh, I gotta
go.
look for leaks, right? Check down here. That looks good. Yeah, it's got a nice. It's got a plastic nut, and then they use a rubber on top. And got a new flex. Got new pecs coming up through there. New flex. Got spares.
Alright, so
That
went
look
off
good.
like it's supposed to.
Yeah. And the bolt and the washers going down in the right place, and lap is working perfect. Shazam! 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Charge $60 an hour for that.
Wow. That should be a plumber.
Yep, you should. Okay.
There you go.
Yeah, happy.
Toilet fix.
Toilet fixed. Upstairs toilet fixed. We'll do
We
a
got 2 working toilets now.
awesome. Gotta have that. All right. Thanks, guys.
Thanks
We'll
for
text our
visiting.
plumber. Yep. Bye bye.